front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to find Clock app and tap on it. Now choose Alarm section on the left at the top, and finally click on this plus at the bottom in the middle to create new alarm. Now you can adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click repeat and pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Hit OK to save them. And if you wish, use this switcher next to allow skipping alarms to enable or disable this option. Then select sound. Click on music on this device if you wish to pick a song from your tablet and apply it. Or select one of those melodies. Most people miss that you can also scroll all the way down and hit none if you don't want any melody. Then go back. Click on label over here and type in whatever you want to. Then save it by choosing OK. Select ring duration to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. And last but not least, click on snooze duration to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Tap on OK to save your adjustments. To save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. So when I click, I can see that mine was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, make your changes, and tap on the check mark again. Additionally, if you ever want to delete it, click on it as well, and this time tap on delete at the bottom. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!